Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you the tools I'm using for avocado carving, and also I will use some of them for wood carvings too. So let's see. This is a set of 5 knives, and here is a bigger one, and here is a small V-shaped knife, and this is just a simple craft knife. So at first, I will use this bigger knife to remove the surface of the avocado seed, just like this. Because it's bigger, so move easier, faster. But this knife, if you don't have this knife, it's not that necessary to buy it, because you can also use a kitchen knife for this job. So that's all for this one. And after removing the skin, I wait until the avocado dries, or I cut it into a bigger shape that I want to carve. For example, if I'm making this cicada, I will cut the cicada shape when the avocado seed is still soft, because this one is quite large to cut off, and it's hard to carve it when it's already dried. So now I will use this one. This one looks similar with the craft knife, but you can see this one have a thicker blade than the craft knife, so it can cut through harder wood, harder stuff than the craft knife. The craft knife can only do details, but this blade can use for carving a hard avocado seed. You can see like this, or just remove a little bit. But if I use craft knife, you can tell the difference. Craft knife is good for creating details, and this one is more powerful. So the next one is this. It has a V shape, and it can remove a line faster, like this. It will cut off both sides at once. So if you want to make a word like, you can easily carve an A. So this one is quite useful. And I also got a smaller one. It's just used for different size of the patterns. And the next one is this. You can see it's flat. So this one I will use for removing a flat surface, or flatten the surface like this. Or here. Right. And now this one has a round U shape, and the last one is also a round, a smaller U-shaped blade. I hope you can see it like this. So you can remove the part you don't want or make it deep by digging it with this kind of blade. If you're using a smaller one, it will look like this. Okay. And that's all. The craft knife, I will use it for creating the details here. All of these details were carved by the craft knife. Alright. So this is all the tools I'm using for avocado carvings. If you are just a beginner and you are not sure that what you need to get for carvings, I would suggest you have this set first, and also a craft knife. Some people already have a craft knife, then you can try to carve with your craft knife first, because you can actually use it for everything. If the avocado seed is still soft, you can easily cut through it with just a craft knife. But this one is very useful. This one is not that necessary, and this one is just a smaller version of this. So you can get it when you have more money. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye.